Okay, let's take a look at problem 4, a cumulative frequency table. A cumulative frequency table shows the number of data values that lie in or below the given interval. For example, if the cumulative frequency for the interval of 70 to 79 is 20, then there are 20 data values less than or equal to 79. Alright, so let's take a look at the problem, the example problem, to maybe explain this a little bit more. Making a cumulative frequency table. Text messaging. The numbers of text messages sent on one day by different students are shown below. What is a cumulative frequency table that represents the data? So here are the numbers. And the first thing I need to do, of course, is divide it into intervals. So my lowest term is 0, and my highest term, oh my goodness, 49. 49 text messages in one day. So that means it's about 50. So they divide it into 5 intervals. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means that the intervals are 10 units long, basically, or 10 messages long. And so we have from 0 to 9, that would be 10. 10 to 19, that would be 10, and so on and so forth. Then they found the frequency. So 0 to 9, there were 11 students that did it from 0 to 9, and so the cumulative frequency from 0 to 9 is 11. From 10 to 19, there were 3 students that had 3 to 19 texts. And the cumulative frequency is the total amount of from 0 to 19 and, from 0 to 19. And so that's 14. So basically we just add this 3 to this 11 and we get 14. And so it's just accumulating. And then from 20 to 29, there were 3. And so cumulatively from 0 to 29, I have 17 text messages, and so on and so forth. So we have 21 total, and so there should be 21 total messages up here. Let's see. Or 21 total students that we're looking at. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we know we did it right. All right, so now let's do it on our own. It says, what is a cumulative frequency table that represents the data below? And so my lowest number, of course, we need to find the intervals first. My lowest number is 0, and my highest number is 15. So I'm going to do intervals of 4. So that means my first one will be, let me go ahead and start making my chart. Alright, so we have, and I'm sorry, what was this data referencing? We don't know. It doesn't say. It doesn't give us a context. So we'll just say data. Oops. So 0 to 3, 4, okay, 4 to 7, 8 to 11, 12 to 15, and I think that's it. We only have 15 is our highest number. Okay. So how many times do we have 0 to 3? And I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll put 6 here. This is frequency. And this is cumulative frequency. And so of course that would be 6 as well. So 4 to 7, I have 1, 2, 3. 3 points that are 4 to 7. So that's a cumulative frequency of 9. 8 to 11, 1, 2, 3. So that's 3 again, and add 3 to that, so it gives me 12. And then 12 to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that gives me 16. And my cumulative frequency table. So let's see if we have 16 data points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this is correct. And I hope this helps.